Hello, teacher. I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Nguyễn Thị Mai Lan. My EWIS code is 5160-262. Today, I want to talk about APA. There are 20 vowel sounds in the International Phonetic Alphabet, including 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Among the 12 monophthongs, there are 7 short monophthongs and 5 long monophthongs. Among the 8 diphthongs, there are 3 opening diphthongs and 5 closing diphthongs. Next, I would like to talk about 3/8. The 3/8 refer to the height of the mouth opening. The first 8-1. The first mouth opening 8-1. Razor from close to close mid. The second mouth opening 8-2. Razor from close mid to open mid. And finally, the third mouth opening razor from open mid to open. Thank to the all teacher for listening my sharing.